Zhang. I ran into some problems on my way to the airport and I missed my flight.
Man, I hate airports. Don't you?
Who are you?
Tessel Texter. You seem curious about things. You look like a businessman.
Look around. This is my work.
Angus, tell me, have you ever killed anyone? I'm gonna ask you to close your eyes and visualize the story I'm about to tell you. Have we met before?
I'm sorry, I don't think so.
It was like total perfection.
Why are you doing this?
Because I feel like it.
A lie always needs to be repeated more than the truth to be believed.
I've been looking for you.
Tell me what you know.
Open this door!
What is this whole game about?
You think this is a game?
What do you want from me?
Perfection is achieved not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing left to take away.